Okay, what you try number 3 is asking us is to determine how much we would be making after 5 weeks of getting raises if we were getting 5% each time, like what had been happening for the past 3 weeks. So if we started out with $12.75, and then after week 1, we got $13.39 as our hourly wage, and then $14.05 after week 2, and then $14.76 after week 3. In order to figure out what would happen after week 5, we have to figure out 2 missing pieces of information. We need to know something about week 4, what that hourly wage would be, and then from there, we can figure out what week 5's hourly wage would be. So, first step, we're going to calculate week 4 the same way that we were. So we had our previous week was $14.76 per hour. After a 5% wage raise, we would have an extra 0.738 cents. We want to round that up to our nearest cent, so we'd have 74 cents on top of our wage. So then we need to add that piece of information. This is our raise. We're going to add it to what we had previously been making. And when we add that together, we find that our wage is going to become $15.50 per hour. So after week 4, we're making $15.50, but we want to know after week 5. So we're going to do the same process using week 4's knowledge. So we are going to come down here. And after week 5, we're going to get a 5% raise, not a 15% raise. So we're going to have $15.50 times 0.05. It's going to represent how many cents our paycheck is going to go up. When we do that multiplication, we get 0.775. That rounds us to the nearest cent as 78 cents on top of our hourly wage as our raise. And then we're going to add that to our previous week's hourly wage. So this $15.50 is going to have that 78-cent raise added to it. And when we add those together, we get $16.78 as our raise, or as our new wage after the raise. So after week 5, we should go up to $16.78.